Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to access apps on your CHiQTV. So to do this, you will need to press the home button on your Pilot. It's located right here. So we're gonna press on that and then navigate our way to the three little dots in the right corner of our screen. And then it will change to more. So we're gonna press OK. And here we have the Smart TV apps. Now press OK again. And right here you can see all of the available apps along with the games you can play on your TV. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.